Back to school with Kidglow English. Learn school supplies. Are you ready?
Pencil. A pencil. An eraser. An eraser. A book. A book. A ruler. A ruler. A pen. A pen. A desk. A desk. A pencil case. A pencil case. A clock. A clock. A chair. A chair. A crayon. A crayon. A stapler. A stapler. A notebook. A notebook. A sharpener. A sharpener. A backpack. A backpack. Glue. Glue. Scissors. Scissors. Where is it? Can you find it? Where is stapler? On the desk. Right. Where is crayon? Under the chair. Great work! Where is the broom? In the box. Super. On, in, and under. Where is the pencil? On the book. Great work! Where's the glue? In the basket. Right. Where is the sharpener? Under the desk. Super. On, in, and under. Where's the paintbrush? On the chair. Super. Where's the ruler? In the bag. Great work! Where's the pen? Under the book. Super. On, in, and under.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel